Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to log in Buckle credit card. So to get started, open up any browser. I am here in a Google search. In the search box, type in Buckle credit card login. Once it's done, hit the enter button. In the search result, you will see somewhat like this. Click in the first link that appears, which is Buckle credit card. It will take some time to load. Once it's loaded, you will see something like this and click on the sign in option. Now here, write down your username and password, and if you want to save the password, you can click on remember me. Once you have added your username and a password, you can simply click on sign in option and you will be successfully able to log in Buckle. So that is how easy you can log in Buckle credit card. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.